How y'all doing today? Today we're in Lakeview and we're doing a complete landscape design and installation. We have already completed the Rainbird irrigation system, and right now we're in the process of installing the Zoysia sod in the backyard. Let's take a look. Drainage has been installed already. We have sloped all the ground towards the drains in the lawn. We have put insecticide, new lawn starter fertilizer down prior to installing the sod. And then right now we're in the process of laying it down. I'll give you a little glimpse of the landscape. Around the pool here, we've got some Regina iris, split leaf philodendron, Japanese yews, Nelly holly, shishi camellias. Should look really good back here. Along the fence, we've got some nice Eagleston hollies that provide a nice screen along the entire fence. And then underneath, those are lavender formosa azaleas to kind of give us some undergrowth on the bottom of those trees. And then right here at this corner, we've got some lamandra grass and a compacta holly. And here's a shot of the nice antique bronze LED lights that are in the backyard. We also have lights on all the trees, so everything's coming along nice. If you need your landscaping done nice, want a great job, want it professionally done, give Clean Cut Landscape a call at 504-415-1438 or visit us at cclanddesign.com.